Load your family into the 2019 Cadillac XT4. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, power front seats, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and much more. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 13 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.